Ghost. Yeah, they screwed up Mustang. They added crap that I don't need. Matt! They screwed up Mustang. They messed it up. Whoa! Friendly! Friendly! I'm gonna rush. Okay. Behind that cover right there in front of you!
You're the kid with the Vector, aren't you?
Yeah. I do have a Vector.